Well, imagine working on the farm and your combine or tractor breaks down. It may be weeks until a new part can be ordered, and by then you've lost time and money. Well, now there is a way local producers can create their own equipment on site accurately and efficiently, and it's as easy as hitting print. Now, it may sound like science fiction, but as Bart Padiesic reports, it's anything but.
Whether it's a 10-minute drive or a part has to come for 2 weeks being delivered, that piece of equipment is not in use. And if that can be made on the farm overnight and back into the field, then if there's a crop that they're trying to get out, it's going to be saved and they can go on to that next task.
Here is the Mojo, just one of the many 3D printers on the market right now. According to Javelin Technologies' John Brown, it works like your standard printer at home, but what it creates is simply remarkable. Fully functioning parts with less hassle.
But if you imagine if you had to make each of these parts individually, all the trouble that you'd have to go through, and then go back and assemble them, it's a ton of work.
Brown says the technology has been around for a while, but has just recently been hitting the headlines.
3D printing was developed in the 1980s. So when I was watching Hulk Hogan wrestle, some other guy was developing 3D printing. It was sold through the 90s, and I think just through the last 4 or 5 years, it's become quite commonplace on TV shows, radio stations, magazines, and newspapers.
You may not see many units like this on the farm fields today, but they are already being used by equipment manufacturers. Now, local farmers are starting to take note.
It's really a fantastic technology and is revolutionizing a lot of different industries, manufacturing, and one of those is coming to agriculture as well.
The company was one of 16 exhibitors at ADM's 3rd annual Farm Expo. JP Montalvo says it's a good chance for local producers to learn about new technologies in the field.
This is one of those ways that we want to build relationships with our growers, be able to show them things outside of just buying their canola from them, but give opportunities for them to be able to either learn new technologies, market information, or again connect with other participants in the industry.
And according to Brown, 3D printer technology isn't just for the field. He predicts it'll be a common tool in homes of tomorrow.
It's anybody's guess, but I think it's possible that one day down the road a 3D printer is as commonplace as a refrigerator, and when you need to make a part, you go out in the garage and you print it, and that's it.
Bart Padiesic, Newcap News.